Big welcome to day 43 of the Amazon 10K challenge, where we take a product together from $0 all the way up to $10,000 a month on Amazon FBA. Day 43 once again. We got 2 more days to go of these daily updates, and then we'll be switching to weekly updates so I can give you more valuable content within one video. So if you haven't seen the first 42 days, go back and watch from the start. We covered so much great stuff, and our product is doing really, really well. So if you want to get the same results that we're getting, go take action as you watch along. For those of you who are back, today's going to be a little bit of a different video. It's going to be very direct, very short. It has one purpose, which is to get you excited and get you motivated. Before we jump in, our scratch map is doing fine. Same sort of thing as yesterday when we updated it. 8,000 bestseller rank. We're still growing. Our snowball's still rolling. Everything's going in place. I'm doing some things behind the scenes, and I'll update you with everything. But I'm not going to want to focus on the scratch map today. I'm going to focus on that graph that I just showed you. But before I do, if you're not a member of our masterclass, our Amazon Freedom Formula Facebook group, get in here. We're doing live webinars in here. We're going live right here, this little button. Evan and I are going to go live in 3 days and answer all your questions that you have one-on-one. You can interact with us live, which is the first time we'll do it. It's awesome. Everybody else in here is really, really helpful. We're having giveaways. We're going to make this group as awesome and as fun and as positive as possible to help you achieve your goals. If you're not in the Amazon FBA Masterclass, congratulations to everybody who is coming into that Masterclass. We're seeing a lot more signups, and it's really, really awesome to see that you guys are taking action and giving yourself the opportunity to become financially free. I won't go into detail. It's everything we know about Amazon FBA. The price is going up February 1st. This is the cheapest you can ever get it. Link is in the description. Don't mess about and waste time. And I'm going to show you why in this video. Get this step-by-step guide and recreate our results on Amazon and start living the life that you actually want to live. Alright, so I do want to keep this video really short because I want you walking away motivated. I want you walking away inspired and like antsy to get started. So what I want to show you is how big of an opportunity Amazon is right now. Right now is the best time in almost history to launch a business online or to launch your own business, because Amazon has been fine-tuning its systems, getting better and better. It's been getting bigger and bigger. So right now is the easiest time and the most profitable time for you to be launching a business. Whatever it is business you're launching, Amazon make it as easy as possible, which is why we're doing Amazon, because they bring the traffic to you. And I'll show you how much traffic in just 1 second. If you have a guess now, guess in your head or comment below what you're going to guess Amazon's monthly traffic was for December, because I'm going to reveal the stat and it shocked me. So that is total visitors of total sessions. So it's not unique sessions, total sessions. So comment below what you think the sessions are before. Don't cheat and go forward to when I tell you. I'm just curious of what you think. How many sessions were ran on Amazon? How many times did people go and shop for products on Amazon in December 2017? What I want to show you here is Amazon's sale reports. So this is by quarter, this is by year. 2017, it's not, quarter 4 is not out yet, but they're estimated to have done $177 billion worth of sales. That's 177 billion with a B. Next year, look at this growth prediction. They're estimated to do 228 billion, up to $236 billion in sales, which is such a huge growth on last year, 2017, that now's the time to capitalize on that growth. The market is expanding, it's opening up. There's so much more room and so much more money to be made. And all you have to do is list your product, follow along with this transparent launch, follow the steps in the course, and copy step by step what Evan and I have done and what so many students are doing now. And I mean, we did some math, and I dropped out of college, so sorry if this math isn't perfect, but basically if you make 0.00004% of Amazon's sales, if you corner the 0.00004% of Amazon's sales, which is such a tiny share, you will make 7 figures. You will make $1 million worth of sales over the next 12 months. And then if you keep that corner, if you keep that little 0.00004% of the market cornered, the next year you're going to do another 1.3 million, and that's just for one product. So the opportunity is huge, and your goal to make $10,000 a month, if that's your goal or beyond, is so achievable and so easy and obvious once you know the system. So To put that away, I just want to show you, to go over Amazon's growth, ridiculous amounts of growth, $43 billion worth of sales in quarter 3. Quarter 4 is huge. You can see this is over time, so since 2007. So I'm going to get my mouse out of the way because it's confusing me a little bit. This dot right here that's almost passing quarter 4's dot is quarter 3 this year. Quarter 4 this year is going to be so high. It's going to take a huge leap because right now more and more people are moving to Amazon. They're moving to online sales. Amazon is in its highest velocity of growth right now. So right now is the perfect time to get in. To answer your estimate of how many people visited Amazon total visits in December 2017, 3 billion sessions were made on Amazon.com. I was shocked when I saw this statistic. This is on SimilarWeb and other websites pull up the same thing, but 3 billion sessions were had on Amazon.com. And the thing about Amazon, it's the 5th biggest website in the USA. I think Google, Facebook, YouTube, I don't know what the other one is, but there's another one that's bigger than it, 4 bigger than it. Amazon is the only one where people are going just to shop, just to buy products. No, and Google, they're looking for information. YouTube, they're looking to be entertained. They're looking for education like you're watching right now. Facebook, they're looking to connect. Amazon, people go there just to buy. And there's 3 billion sessions being had every month. It's ridiculous the size of this opportunity right now. And I hope these stats have the impact on you that they've had on me because it's just insane. People say Amazon's saturated. It's far, far from saturated. Amazon is growing far quicker than the demand, than the supply of sellers is growing. It's getting easier and easier to sell on Amazon just because more money's coming in, especially if you start now and solidify yourself a nice base, solidify yourself a brand that you can leverage. You are going to grow as Amazon grows, and Amazon's taking over the world. They just launched in Australia. I'm going to be putting new content out about Australia because there's not many people selling in Australia right now. The competition is basically zero. So I'm going to do a transparent launch in Australia and show you how we can capitalize on, or how we can own a market that's really big in the US, such as trash bags or rubbish bags in the USA. Make a lot of money, make over 6 figures a month because they're a general item that needs to be bought. But if you go to Amazon Australia, no one's selling trash bags with a good offer yet. That market hasn't been captured. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that, but I want to keep this video really short. I want you to go away and be like, wow, Amazon is a no-brainer for me. I need to launch a product. And the step-by-step guide is this transparent launch right here and the Amazon Masterclass. If you have these 2 things, you're going to be successful on Amazon as long as you take action. So I want you to be motivated. I want you to be excited by this opportunity. I want you to have a mentality of abundance to make sure that you know it's very, very possible and very easy to take $10,000 a month of Amazon's $236 billion that's going to come in next month. It's such a small slice of the pie you're asking for. So you can ask for more, or you can get your $10,000 and then start expanding your product line. But either way, you have to believe in yourself. You have to know that the road has been mapped out for you. People have done it before and they teach you exactly how to do it. All you have to do is follow their steps and you'll get the same results. So hope you're excited. Hope you take action. I'll be back for the last 2 days to update you on this map, on our reorder, on all the details around how we're going to secure that bestseller tag and get to the top of SEO results. So I'll see you tomorrow to start that.